Hi everyone, Lee from Everything Tech. This is just a short video to remind you that Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 are out of support in January 2020, and this is why your business should be starting to think about upgrading all your Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 kit now. So at the end of January 2020, I know we've got summer and Christmas to get out of the way first, but after that date, Microsoft will no longer produce security fixes and patches for Windows 7 desktops and laptops and Windows Server 2008, and that also includes Small Business Server 2011 if you're running that. So after Microsoft stopped producing these kind of patches, the hackers and the bad guys, they tend to go mad on trying to exploit vulnerabilities. And if you're in any doubt about how serious the consequences are, you only have to look back to 2018 when the NHS caught a cold to the tune of £92 million for keeping hold of Windows XP kit. So also, if you've got hundreds of machines that are running Windows 7, laptops out there in the wild that are running Windows 7 and servers at the back end that are running Windows Server 2008. Replacing those things and budgeting for replacing those things is not an easy thing. You're going to have to really start thinking about it now to get it all ready for the end of January 2020. So end of support for those operating systems comes the end of 2020, and if you need help upgrading those systems, servers and desktops and things like that, then speak to Everything Tech and we can help you get there.